Well, let's start the video off with a gunshot. The joys of living out in the country. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video. Myth busted, Mythbusters, add it to that genre, but I'm gonna walk along here and see if I can find any hives that where I've scraped propolis and just thrown it on top of them, and there's one right there. But I couldn't tell you how many times I've seen this on Facebook, in Facebook groups. Bees do not repurpose propolis. I couldn't tell you how many times I've seen that. So we're going to entitle this with Mythbuster Propolis or something to that effect. But there's 5 bees working that ball of propolis. Usually if you have empty equipment laying out that's currently been used, some over here, there'll be bees taking the propolis out of the hive bodies. Everybody's active today. It's about 60 degrees and got a little food out for them. Go in here and see if we can find any more propolis, just to make sure this wasn't just a fluke. But I had a gentleman on Facebook tell me that, and kind of got a little argumentative about it. Bees do not repurpose propolis. Well, I guess there's not any more out. Well, there's some right there, but ain't nobody. There's one on it. It's probably up in the sun, so it'd get warmer. They'd probably work it a little more, but I'd call that a myth busted. I guess that's going to be our Mythbuster quick tip of the day. You guys have a great day. I'm getting ready to go up and work an out yard and get them ready for winter.